Hello, let's use an example to understand the call option a little better. Let's assume that we have two parties, party A and party B, where party A purchases a call from party B to buy a specific stock at a specific price, which is $100 on a specific date. For this, A pays B $5, and this $5 is known as the option premium. Because party A or A has purchased the right to purchase the stock at $100, this is known as a call option. And the purchaser in the call, or party A, has gone long, while the seller of the call, or B, has gone short. Since the call option can be exercised only on a specific date, this is known as a European option. So here we have the specific terms in a call option. Let's understand when the call will be exercised. Let's assume that on the specified exercise date, the stock is trading at $110. Will A exercise the stock option? Yes. At this point of time, the option is in the money. A will exercise the option and buy the stock from B at $100. He can then go ahead and sell it in the market at $110, giving him a net profit of $5. So 110 minus the $100 which he purchased the option for, minus the $5 premium. So at this point of time, A gets a net profit of $5, and the option is in the money and has been exercised on the specific date. What happens on the other hand when on the specific date the option is trading at $90? Will A go ahead and exercise the option? No. At this point in time, A will allow the option to lapse, because instead of exercising the option and buying the stock at $100, A can buy the stock at $90 from the market. So at this point, A has a loss of $5, which is essentially the premium which he paid to secure the option. Let's plot the whole thing graphically to understand this a little more. If I'm going to plot the asset price, or the price of the stock on the x-axis, and the net profit, the profit made from exercising the option on the y-axis, I will then be able to find out what is the profit and loss on a call with respect to the two parties, buyer of the option and the seller of the option. First off, let's look at the buyer of the option, or from A's perspective. A has spent $5 to secure this option, the $5 being the premium, which we denote as alpha. It represents the $5 or the minus 5. So if X is the exercise price of $100, if the price of the asset or the stock is 105, A can then break even. If the price of the stock goes above 105, A will choose to exercise the option, and then his profit goes on increasing. So at 105, A breaks even. After that, there is a steady increase in his profit. So this is known as the profit line from buying the call. At an asset price or stock price below $100, he will choose not to exercise the option, he will have a loss of $5. Now let's look at it from the point of view of the seller of the option, or from party B. So B has originally received $5 as premium, and that is a profit for him to start with. At the stock price of 105, when A breaks even, B will break even as well, after which, when A exercises the option, B will have an obligation to sell the stock to him and therefore have a loss. So from the point of view of B, or the seller of the option, or the writer of the call, this is the profit line. So as long as the stock price is below 100, the buyer of the option will not exercise the option, and therefore the seller will have a steady profit of $5, after which his profit will fall and then he will start making a loss. So if the stock price goes up indefinitely, the buyer of the option makes an infinite profit while the seller of the option makes an infinite loss. This is the profit line from selling the call, also known as writing the call. So if we want to look at the value of the call option, the value of the call option will be maximum between either 0 or x minus s, where x is the exercise price and s is the asset price. Thank you.